Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wished you could play Clash of Clans on a bigger screen, with more comfortable controls? Well, you absolutely can. Playing on your PC opens up a whole new world of strategy and comfort for your village. Imagine those epic raids, but with a mouse for pinpoint troop deployment and a huge monitor to see every single detail. It truly enhances your game experience, offering a significant advantage and a much more relaxed way to play for extended sessions. For the very best and most secure Clash of Clans experience on your computer, look no further than the official Google Play Games PC beta. This platform, developed by Google itself, ensures your game is always updated, runs smoothly, and is perfectly synced with your Google account. It's truly the safest and most integrated way to enjoy your village outside of a mobile device. You get all the benefits of PC gaming without any compromises. Getting started with Google Play Games is incredibly straightforward. Just head over to Google's official website and download the PC beta application. After a quick installation, simply sign in using the same Google account you use for Clash of Clans on your mobile device. Your progress will instantly sync, and you'll find Clash of Clans ready to download and play immediately. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making your transition to desktop gaming smooth. Before the official Google Play Games client, Android emulators like BlueStacks or Nox Player were the main way to play. These still offer a good alternative if the official client isn't available for your region or specific system setup. Emulators create a virtual Android environment on your PC, letting you install and run mobile apps. Just keep in mind that performance can sometimes vary, and game updates might not be as seamless as with the official method. Once you're playing Clash of Clans on PC, take advantage of the bigger display for better strategic planning. You can really see your entire base or the enemies with incredible clarity. A good gaming mouse will give you pinpoint accuracy for troop deployment and spell placement, which can make all the difference in a close battle. Remember to keep your Google Play Games client updated for the best performance and latest features. Enjoy dominating the battlefield from your desktop. It's a game changer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.